4 visas in 5 years: Hong Kong, UK, Australia, and Switzerland. A business trip to Hong Kong, 2 years in London. Next project planned in Switzerland. That sums up my 5 years journey with Infosys as data analytics consultant. Yet I quit my lucrative career. I could have stayed and traveled the world and made a lot of money, but I decided to quit my job. Hi, my name is Sahil and this video is special. I want to inform everyone that I have quit my job, and I want to share the reason why I have decided to quit and what is the next plan. To begin with, post MBA, I was working with Infosys as data analytics consultant. This skill was in demand. I had a wonderful stint of 5 years with Infosys where I spent last 2 years in London. I was about to move to Switzerland for the next project and also got my work permit. But then COVID happened. I was planning to quit this job for a long time now. But on the other side, I wanted to do this job for maybe another 1 year and travel the world. But COVID-19 made my decision easy. I realized this is the best time to focus on what I really love doing. Hence, I decided to quit my job. But when I informed, a lot of people were shocked. They started advising, you should not quit, work for a few more years, make more money. There is so much risk in business. This COVID-19 time is difficult, etc. So today, I want to share the reason why I have quit this job. First reason is, I always wanted to achieve the financial freedom at an early age. The moment I joined the job after MBA, I knew one thing. I don't want to work for the rest of my life. I wanted to achieve financial freedom at an early age. And in order to achieve the financial freedom, I knew that I need to increase my income. I knew that I need to optimize my expenses. At the same time, I knew that I need to invest my money in the right instrument so that I can make the best use of power of compounding. I was able to increase my income, generate other sources of revenue, as well as optimize my expenses. In this entire journey, I realized that my requirements are limited. That helped me save some money. At the same time, I always ensured that I do not fall in any debt trap. Overall, a well-balanced lifestyle with a minimalistic approach made me financially comfortable to quit my job and focus on doing things that I really love doing. Second reason is, I never really enjoyed the lifestyle of a metro city. I never wanted to live in an extremely polluted, overcrowded, concrete jungle of metro city in a small compact flat. I always wanted to live a peaceful life in my hometown. I never wanted to end up paying huge EMIs on my home and car loan for the rest of my life. I never wanted to live a stressful corporate life where you work day and night just to fulfill someone else's dream. Health is one of the most important priorities of my life and I could never compromise with it. Honestly, I never enjoyed the concept of 5 days working and 2 days party. Overall, I never wanted to be a part of this rat race where everyone is running behind money without any purpose in life. Third reason is, I was fed up with the education system of the country. It is really unfortunate to see the current pathetic state of Indian education system. It has become a factory to produce garbage. Everyone is running behind success which is measured by degree. Nobody asks for real knowledge. The reason is poor education infrastructure of the country, which is more of a business to make money. Only the elite 5 to 10% get the opportunity to access quality education. Almost 90% youth of this country is either unemployed or underemployed. There's a huge skill gap between demand and supply. Most of the education institute follows year-old education model which is not relevant in today's world. Teaching is considered as a last option with a very low salary. So I decided to quit my job and do something in the field of education. Teach skills that really matters. Because I strongly believe that education is not about learning the facts, but it is about training your mind to think. And the fourth reason is, I found my purpose in life. I used to ask myself, what do I want from this life? What is the purpose of my life? Am I happy working in an IT company? I know it sounds philosophical, but I used to read a lot of self-help books and follow a lot of inspirational people. I was highly inspired by people like APJ Abdul Kalam, Ratan Tata, Azim Premji, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, etc. They all taught me one lesson. Life is not just about money. It is about serving the society. So finally, I wrote down my purpose in life. One day, when I would be on my deathbed and reflect upon my past, I do not want to see my achievement as making X million dollar of revenue for an IT company or making X amount of money. I want people to remember me for the positive difference I have created in their life. I want to be remembered as a kind and generous person. So here I am with this new life. A life where the focus is on teaching important skill to the future of this country. Skills that really matters, starting with money management. I hope I could teach all the skills that I have envisioned. And today I want to make a big announcement. I have launched my own website named sahilbhadviya.in, where I have created a complete online course on money management covering the important concepts like what is life insurance, type of life insurance, how to select best term plan and medical plan, how to do tax planning, how to achieve financial freedom, power of compounding, how credit card work, what is budgeting, how mutual fund work, how to select the best mutual fund, how stock market work, how to pick quality stock, etc. I will also conduct various doubt clearing sessions. I can assure you that this would help you with every financial decision you would make in your life, so that tomorrow you don't fall in all the financial traps that destroy the financial life of Indians. You can explore the course on my website and I can guarantee that you won't be disappointed. If you don't like the course, you can request a refund within 24 hours of purchase. There is also an ebook, Personal Finance for Laymen, which you can buy for free. I wish you all the best in your financial journey and hope to get you enrolled in my course.